Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Abha here, your psychic medium, and this is going to be a short quick update for Leo for the month of September, as we have already crossed Virgo season and we are in the half of the month and we are about to move into the second half of the month. So we are going to see what are current energies surrounding Leo and where is it heading towards in the month of September. So from 17 till 31st, how is it going to be? Where is it moving and what are current energies surrounding Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising. So we will start with the theme of the month for Leo. What are current energies for Sun, Moon, Rising in Leo? What is overall theme for the month of September for Leo? Okay, Lovers. So I'm getting a card of Lovers, Leo. Relationships is the theme of the month for Leo. Love, relationships, emotions. So this is the overall theme for the month of September for Leo. We are going to see where is it heading towards, what is currently happening with tarot card. We are going to clarify this. In general, this is going to be a general read. So you can see which is your prominent situation, which is your dominant situation in this time period, and this reading will resonate with that. You can relate as per your current situations. Okay, so I can see changes are happening. Luck is in your favor, but somewhere you are holding back. You are holding back, Leo, because of your insecurities. New beginnings are happening for you. There are opportunities around you. Why are you holding back? I can see there are so many opportunities around you. Things are moving forward for you. Luck is on your side. But it seemed like because of the past insecurities, because of whatever happened in the past, you're somewhere holding back. Let's see. Okay, 9 of Cups reverse, which means somewhere you are not emotionally satisfied within your situation. Hindrance or blockage is stability. You're trying to move on from your past, but you are facing some sort of difficulties moving on from your past. This is the root cause of the complete situation here, because of which you are not satisfied. In the recent past, you were putting a lot of effort into the situation. At present, you are somewhere giving up. Don't do that, Leo. Don't do that. We will clarify that because, we got Wheel of Fortune for you. Wheel of Fortune is a card of luck going in your favor. Timing is moving towards you. Timing is in your favor. So you should not now give up. You should keep continuing your job. You're putting your effort. Continue that. In coming time, we have a card of Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is a card of detaching yourself from everything and analyzing everything with a very analytical mind, sharp mind, somewhere putting everything in pros and cons and then deciding on things, taking a back seat or getting reserved from everything. That's how I can see your energies moving in the coming time. How you are seeing this situation, you just want to work it out with other people or within work situation. You want to have results. You want to be recognized for your work, for your efforts. How other people are seeing you, they think that you are putting a lot of effort into this situation. You are coming out of pause mode and now you are somewhere, you have decided you are moving forward in this situation. That's how they see you. And people surrounding you also putting effort into it with respect to whatever situation you are in, whosoever you are dealing with. They may have been in a pause mode, they may not be putting effort into this situation, but now they are ready to move on, to take, after making a decision, they took the decision and now they are ready to put in efforts here. So that's how I can see. In the position of hopes and fear, we have a card of Star. You have a hope within this situation. Then why are you giving up, Leo? Not yet. Because we have a card of Tower reverse. Sudden changes. Sudden changes are happening in the coming time, but you are resisting those changes. Because we have a Tower reverse card here. We will clarify this, what changes are happening in the coming time for Leo in the month of September. What changes are these sudden changes? Okay. King of Pentacles, something related to your money, finances, work, career, and we received Strength reverse. So Strength reverse tells us that somewhere you don't have trust within this situation, you are giving up because somewhere you are losing your energies or not putting that much effort into this situation. But the situation which is changing here is good, for your good, because we have a card of King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is talking about progress happening, opportunities coming for you which can bring more progress. But now is not the time to give up, Leo. Strength is your... Okay, guidance for Leo. One more guidance, please. Guidance for Leo. Okay. Successful funding. So you're getting support from outside. You are going to get this support. Your idea is divinely guided and supported by the same infinite wisdom of God that gave you the idea. Do not allow money concerns to prevent you from turning into reality. Crowdfunding, partnerships and other investments are available to help you. So you are going to receive help in your situation in coming time. Could be in finances, could be in your career. Block out distractions. So you're getting distracted. Your life purpose and other priorities need your undivided attention. So it's time for you to take charge of your schedule and working environment by turning off electronics, avoiding anyone or anything that distracts you from what is important. You already know what these distractions are and you have the power to responsibly block them out. So, don't let these distractions block you from working towards it, because in coming time you are going to receive opportunities, you are going to have a good luck. So you make use of the luck in coming time or the energies which are going in your favor. Don't get distracted and don't get reserved. Okay, so this was your guidance for the month of September. We will do October reading very soon. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel for more videos.